Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both ends. On your device, enable developer options and turn on wireless debugging. On your computer, install the required extension in Vscode. Once done, connect the device by USB to establish pairing. This creates a secure pairing code and trusted device entry. Make sure your machine and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network and that the OS firewall permits the debugging port. This prevents common connection drops before the wireless session begins. Now you pair and configure Vscode. Open the command palette, choose the extension's pair device command, and paste the pairing code from your device. Then, ensure ADB or the platform tool is running. Run a DB devices to see the paired ID and status. Once visible, disconnect USB and connect to the device's IP port shown. Vscode will use that network socket. This step moves the debug transport from physical to network, so confirm low Wi-Fi latency for stable sessions. With the wireless target connected, start debugging from Vscode as normal and pick the paired device. Your breakpoints and console should behave exactly as over USB. If stepping feels off, enable debug level logs and confirm your build includes debug symbols so source mapping works. When things go wrong, restart the ADB or platform daemon, toggle the device's airplane mode then back, and repair if needed. These quick fixes resolve most network, permission, or stale pairing issues and get you back to coding fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.